On Tuesday, a vehicle drove into one of the holes along the chaussee caused by the ongoing road rehabilitation works. The Chaussee Road Rehabilitation Project has been ongoing for about 3 months. The driver of the vehicle explains what happened.
I was coming from that way, heading to basically going by the square side. Coming here, right there, the traffic, there's a line of traffic. So they're stopping us, they're letting us other people pass, stop again, let the next side pass. When I reach here, she do me a sign to come. Then another guy was coming, so I stopped, I reverse, give him space. 2 vehicles pass. After that, she do me come again. I lock out for me to drive around the little piece of dirt I seen in front of me, or was seen in front of me, and then I go forward. The minute I go forward, I feel the car drop. There are no cones leading up to that hole, or no cones in front. The same way it is now is the same way it was.
The roadworks have reached as far as the Jeremy Street junction. Nationwide Construction Limited says it is working as quickly as possible to complete the roadworks by next year. Nevertheless, the company admits to having encountered a few issues. One of the issues, apart from heavy traffic, is the replacement of pipes under the road.
One of the main problems with this project is you're trying to place a new pipe, 8-inch pipe, around existing pipes. There are about 4 different sets of old pipes in there, 14-inch, an 8-inch, a fire, service pipe, and a 6-inch. There are pipes that are down there that we are surprised to find down there. Right? So as you go along, the most difficult thing is to place the manholes. For every manhole is simply different. You cannot precast it and bring it. This is simply because of the area in which you find the pipes. So it's so difficult to build the manholes. The base of the manholes are not consistent.
Alcid says that pressure testing by the water and sewage company Wasco has resulted in some pipes rupturing. Minister for Infrastructure Stephenson King revealed on Monday that the government has spent $2.6 million to change the water lines along the Chaussee Road. Nationwide is hoping to have a smooth road surface by Christmas. Asked for the dust in the commercial area, the company says it waters the road twice a day.
That is why the aim now is to go as quick as possible and put a 1-inch regulating course on top of the existing area, so that there'll be less dust over the Christmas season, and see what happens. But it is a project, a very difficult project, and people have to be able to assist us in that stead and work with us so that we could get it going as quick as possible. If people try to avoid the chaussee as much as possible, we'll get along a little better and a little faster. Because if you don't really have anything to do, if you can make alternative routes, just please stay out.
To get work done as quickly as possible, the roadworks are being undertaken in 2 shifts, one from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. and another from 7 p.m. to about 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning. For the DBS News World, Miriam Montoute reporting.